हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज की क्लास में हम डिस्कस करेंगे पॉलिनेशन, जिसमें सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन और क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन के बारे में मैं डिस्कस करूंगी। पॉलिनेशन हम सब जानते हैं, ट्रांसफर एंड डिपोजिशन ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम द एंथर टू द स्टिग्मेटिक सरफेस ऑफ अ फ्लावर इज कॉल्ड पॉलिनेशन एंड इट इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स, सेल्फ एंड क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन। सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन हम सभी जानते हैं, व्हेन द पोलन ग्रेन्स आर ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम द एंथर to the stigma of the same flower or a stigma of another flower born on the same plant, and it is of two types, autogamy and geitonogamy. Autogamy, in this type of pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma of the same flower, and it always occurs in bisexual flower, for example wheat, rice and pea. In geitonogamy, the pollen grains are transferred from anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower born on the same plant, and example is maize. In case of cross pollination, there is transfer of pollen grains from anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower born on a different plant of the same species is known as cross pollination, and it is also called as allogamy or xenogamy, and it generally occurs in unisexual flowers and is carried out only with the help of foreign agencies. And cross pollination ensures the genetic recombination and variations in plants, and the various agencies of cross pollinations are like wind and water, which are abiotic. When pollination occurs through wind, it will be called as anemophily. When it is through water, it is called hydrophily. And when it is through insect, birds, bats and snakes, it will be biotic pollination. And insect pollination is called as entomophily. Bird pollination is called as ornithophily. Bat pollination is known as chiropterophily, and snail pollination is known as melacophily.